How to delete Instagram account permanently. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here you're going to find different sections. Head over to the section Account Center. Now navigate to the option Personal Details. You'll find the option of Account Ownership and Control. Click on it. Click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Now click on your Instagram username. Now you will get two options, deactivate account or delete account. As you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, check in for the option delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will also be permanently removed. If you would just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. Click on continue. Now give a reason why do you want to delete your Instagram account. Then click on continue. Click on continue again. Now, for the security purpose, you'll need to type in your password over here. Once you type in, click on continue. Click on delete account. You have just scheduled your account for permanent deletion. Once completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. During 30 days of period, if you have changed your mind, you can type in your Instagram account's credentials and log into your account. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily delete your Instagram account permanently. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.